Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to boost your bass audio settings on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Make sure View By is set to Category View if it is not already. And then you want to select where it says Hardware and Sound. Just go ahead and left click on that. Underneath Sound, select where it says Manage Audio Devices. Just left click on that. Select your speaker device and just left click on it and then select Properties. Now you want to select the Enhancements tab. And where it says Bass Boost, go ahead and check mark inside of there. And then you would select Apply and OK. And then select OK again to save that selection. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.